Ganda-ganda dito sa Manor. Hindi naman pinagsisihan. Sana nalalamig. Episode of my vlog. So for today's episode, we're on our way to Baguio City, and for a very long time nagbukas na siya. And ayun, so for today we're going to show you on how to secure your slots sa Baguio kahit ang limited lang ang allowed nilang tourist, which is 4,000 slots a day lang ang ino-open nila. And ayan, nandito na tayo sa NLEX. So far on a Saturday morning, walang traffic. So, nag-decide lang kami pumunta to Baguio like 2 days ago. And I'm worried kasi every time na check ko nga siya, naka-red na yung dates for today. So, ibig sabihin, puno na yung 4,000 slots allowed for tourists. And another thing, sabi ko kung pupunta man ako ng Baguio, I want to stay sa the Manor kasi meron silang Christmas village. So, gusto ko ma-experience ni Milo yon. Pero, unfortunately, since nung November, na nagbukas yung Baguio City, fully booked na siya for the whole month of December. So, parang give up ko. Hopes ko, nagtingin-tingin na ako sa Airbnb. And I thought, if I'm staying in a friend's house, yung slots for the 4,000 is hindi na ako mapipilang doon. Pero, mali pala. So, regardless you're going to Baguio as a tourist or you're going to stay in a friend's house or you're just going to visit someone, kasama ka pa rin dun sa 4,000 slots. Ang pwede mong gawin is you can book a DOT accredited hotel na nakalista doon sa kanilang Visita Baguio page sa Facebook. And then pwede kang mamili ng mga hotels doon na merong private triage. So once na doon ka magbo-book sa mga hotels na yon, hindi ka na nila isasama doon sa 4,000 tourists. And once you enter the name of the hotel, hindi na i-allow ka na nila mag-book for the dates na naka-red previously. So for us, fortunately, kakatingin ko nag-work yung law of attraction. Nag-open yung biglang nagkaroon ng slot sa Camp John Hay. So without further ado, talagang pinok ko na siya agad, wala nang isip-isip pa. Tapos yun, kinonfirm ng Camp John Hay, ng The Manor na sila na nga yung mag-a-approve ng QTP. So, sobrang bilis ng service nila and na-approve na yung QTP. So, we're on our way to Baguio. Then, nag-text na sa akin yung customer service na aabangan na lang nila kami in a triage near along Marcos Highway. So, private na siya. Hindi na kami pipila doon sa triage ng Baguio City. So, yun yung pwede nyong gawin. Pumili kayo ng mga hotels doon sa Visita na accredited ng DOT. Tapos, na merong private triage. So, join us on our trip to Baguio City! Andito na kami sa Baguio! Oh, baka yun yung... Uy, may halaman silang tinda, oh.
Uy, may... Daan na tayo dito. Tahon na strawberry, oh.
Tahon na strawberry. Wala tayong cash. Pwede Gcash.
Strawberry na tahon.
Hello. May cash ka?
Tingnan natin.
May logising na, dito na tayo. May punseta sila, oh. Hello, we're here in Baguio. That is the lion head. Ayan Si Jeff, bumibili ng taho.
There's a rumor spreading all over town, but of course it's not true. They say Santa ain't coming around. Trust me, I'm waiting up for you. Coming down my chimney on Christmas Day. We'll be side by side to see. This year Santa Claus is coming home to me. Yeah, this year Santa Claus is coming home to me. I have found the perfect tree and dressed it to the nines. I've even made little gingerbread Santas. There's nothing left to chance. This year, Santa's coming home to me.
Hi guys, so we just arrived in Baguio. That's Milo. And we're checking in here at the Manor. So we're going to show you around later. Excited ako dun sa Christmas village nila, dun sa garden. Yung famous nilang Christmas village every Christmas. Ayan, we're here at Camp John. Hey. The Deluxe Room, Milo. So, literally, kakapasok lang namin. Grabe, ang laki niya. And then, so, let's start with, this is the bathroom. The shower. Ayan, it has separate shower. And then, ito yung dresser. And then, the wardrobe. May painting. Ayan. Meron siyang dalawang double bed. Ang laki niya. In fairness, pwede ka magsama pa ng dalawa. Ayun, ito yung TV. Milo! And then, the study table. And then, the veranda. Oh my God, I love this. I think I want. They have this. Oh, tingin ko magugustuhan to ni Milo. Candies. And Norman the bear. So cute. So here is the veranda. Ayan, forest view with all the pine trees. Pwede ka mag-coffee dyan. And mag-beer sa gabi. And then siyang small kitchen. May complimentary water, coffee. Milo! Ayan. Tapos meron din siyang kettle, and then meron siyang small na lababo. Trash can, and then meron din siyang fridge. Ayan, so Milo can move around the veranda because it's very spacious. Ayan, and hindi kami masyadong mag-aalala because we're at the ground floor. Ayan, with the backdrop of the pine trees. So I'm planning later, instead of going out, maybe we can have dinner here or maybe tomorrow. And then I'll make sure that I have some coffee para makapagkape. Come here.
And my records agree. Then maybe this year Santa's coming home to me. I have found the perfect tree and dressed it to the nines. I've even made little gingerbread Santas. There's nothing left to chance. This year, Santa's coming home to me. There's a rumor spreading all over town, but of course it's not true. They say Santa ain't coming around. Trust me, I'm waiting up for you, coming down my chimney on Christmas.
So there you go, that's our room tour. Malaki siya. Ayan, so there's a lot of space for Milo to run. Tapos ayun, pag gusto ni Milo lumabas with the backdrop of the pine trees, pwede siya dyan magtakbo-takbo. Total hindi siya sa taas, so hindi kami matatakot. And yan, there's a lot of space for Milo to move around. And I'm really so happy kasi for the past few weeks, there's a lot of things that happen na talagang sobrang na-stress ako. And I told myself that to keep myself sane, I really need a vacation, a me time. So, I'm really happy, a quiet time with the pine trees, with myself, with Milo. And I'm happy with the room. Feeling ko nasa Switzerland ako na wala lang snow at saka Matterhorn. But Baguio, Camp John Hay, it's really beautiful. It did not disappoint me. So I'm very happy. Looking forward na ma-explore and maglakad-lakad mamaya. I'll just take some rest. And siguro mamaya we'll have coffee. Pupunta siguro kami sa city to check yung Session Road. Ayun. Mag-lunch na rin kami kanina kasi gutom na gutom na. Ayun. Hopefully, it will be a really memorable and recharging trip para makapagtrabaho pa tayo. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions regarding checking in or the travel protocols here in Baguio City, you can just comment down below. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And also, before you come here, if you're going here to Camp John Hay, the Manor, that since they have a separate triage, you can just go directly here, but don't forget to stop over the Camp John Hay Convention Center. You will just need to present yung QR code, QTP yung tawag nila, where you registered at visita.com, and then your vaccination card, and then your valid ID, and then they will give you the pass na, and then you will just need to present it here in the hotel. So later, I will show you the garden. It's really beautiful. Talagang with all the Christmas decors na para ka nasa Christmas village. And I think it will be better and more magnificent at night with all the lights lighted up. Ayun. And I'm so excited for Milo to see it na. So, I'll try my best to show you everything and to update you and to show everything here in the video. So, if you have any questions, just comment down below. And then, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you. Bye.